So usually my day starts like this, and also today it started like that, with the waking up very early and packing as quickly as possible, making meals and eating, and then bike riding. So this is the last day of 2023, so that means it's the last workout this year, and I'm just bike riding to the city to get to the gym. And right now it's extreme headwind, but yeah, and as we can see, I have upgraded my headlight situation, because before my previous headlight was so shitty that even by myself I couldn't see the road really, or barely could see, and it discharged way too quickly. So this is quite nice upgrade that I can now see very well the road. So right now going to the bus, and it's still raining. It even wasn't supposed to rain today. Yep, that's just a winter. So last workout of this year, I have to make it count, so I think you could already guess what muscle group I will be training today at the gym. And after that I will be doing some CrossFit workouts, and maybe one of them I will film live footage of me doing it. Maybe, we will see. 3 hours later since I started to go to the gym, and finally I have arrived. So it's time to work out. And I was starting with the stretching, mobility movements, foam rolling, so I would be warm the next workout. This workout's main focus was squats. I was trying to do heavy squats, so that means quite few reps with a relatively heavy weight. And today squats actually felt quite okay. The only problem was I didn't want to risk too much, because my leg lately feels like a little bit injured at hamstring. But overall I did 4 sets of 150 kgs for around 3 to 5 reps. After squats, following is heavy hip thrusts. And then after hip thrusts is leg extensions and leg curl superset, 4 sets. And after leg workout, I started to do first CrossFit workout, which was one of the well-known CrossFit benchmark workouts, which is called run, and it is 21, 15, 9 thrusters and pull-ups for time. And I managed to do it in 2 minutes and 58 seconds, which I was a little bit disappointed at that result because previously I did it faster. But anyways, after that cross workout I did another one, which was longer, more cardio style. And overall this was kinda light training day, so after that I did some stretching, foam rolling, mobility movements. On my regular days I would also do some intervals or running or rowing, but then I also did some handstand practice at the end for some, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe. And now I do handstand practice pretty much every training day because I really want to learn handstands and handstand walks. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling So right now the gym is done and I need to make to the bus, and I have less than half an hour to get there, so I have to well, quite fast right now.
I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are.
Now just a bike ride and I will be back home. My bike just broke. Yeah, I can't ride with it anymore.
Feel of discontent, I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.